Good afternoon, folks. It's Anthony with the Eden Mandate LLC, restoring lives one home at a time. I am here with my good buddy Bill. We used to work together at Gap. We used to come over and hang out at his saw and distract him and stuff, and we'd have all sorts of countless conversations about life, management, pretty much anything, everything. And he has found a gem of a property that looks like it's vacant. Looks like it has been vacant for quite some time. And, matter of fact, let me turn my ringer off. My phone always rings and vibrates while I'm doing these videos. All right, and so we're out here just taking a peek at it. So let me step back and give y'all a view of it. I mean, lots of, this is exactly what we're looking for. Evidence of, you know, a house not being occupied for quite a bit of time. You've got some overgrowth. You've got obviously some soffit that has deteriorated. The roof looks like it's deteriorated. Bill, what made this stand out to you when you decided to give me a call?
When I came back, I seen the weeds growing up. No one was mowing the grass, and I thought, I got to call Anthony.
Yeah.
Right off the get-go.
This is my brother right here, and I apologize profusely, man. He's called me several times, but I've been like running back and forth so fast. And but yeah, this was definitely, oh my God, this was totally worth it. This is such a great property.
It's scary in there.
Oh man. Oh, well, I think I spoke too soon about not having another hoarder house.
I don't think it is.
But this is not, I mean, this is in such good shape. This is not even a hoarder house. Hey, Dominic, Diana, how y'all doing? Thanks for tuning in.
I don't think it's as bad as the one you just went through.
Oh, nah, brother. It's totally not. Huh. Let's take a peek on this deck, man, and see if we can.
Bottom step is blocked. Walk in the middle.
It's right. Uh oh. Oh yeah. Oh man, you can feel it too. Enter at your own risk, basically, should be the sign on the door.
Oh yeah, you got some cleaning up to do. But it's not going.
Oh, it's not bad at all, though. It's not bad at all. That's not bad at all. We're gonna get a hold of the owners. Look at the floor, man.
Yeah.
That floor is awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is exactly what we want, man. We could really, this is a phenomenal neighborhood.
You can see this is a newer part of the house still on here.
Is this York Suburban or is this York City?
This is suburban.
This
I
is
think
suburban.
It's suburban.
Yeah.
I'm almost positive it's suburban.
This guy found one. Oh my goodness. And he basically just drove past another potential one that we're gonna try to clip off as well. Oh man. This is nice. Take a look at the yard. I don't know what the property line is, but
I know a lot of the neighbors, they're anxious to someone to get it.
Yeah.
Fix it up and clean it up.
So
you got all these nice houses around here.
it's beautiful houses. Then you got this. It's the same scenario over there on Clover Lane. It's like beautiful, beautiful properties. Like, and then you have kind of an eyesore right there in the middle of it. Oh man, Bill! Ooh, man! Give you a big old kiss on the forehead, buddy. And $1,000 in your pocket. Woo! Man, yeah, that'll help out on it. Gee whiz, brother. Yeah, this you did this, buddy. Oh man. All right, y'all. I'll keep you posted on this property. We're gonna make some calls and see if we can skip trace. For those who don't know what skip trace means, it means you try to look up a property owner's address and phone number based off of their home address. So we got public records and things of that sort. So we'll try that first. We put a door hanger on the house, so hopefully if the owner comes back, they'll see a door hanger there and give us a call. But it wouldn't surprise me if the township has got this on their radar, the way it looks, because that's how we got Clover. We're about to get another property. The township gives us a call and say, hey, look, we got an issue. We're going to condemn this property if you can't do anything to help these owners out. And so we get a hold of them before they get tied up in all sorts of legal technicalities and whatnot. So, what's up, Adam? Yeah. Hey, Tunde. All right, yeah. So this is nice. Let's take it around back around the front. Be careful going down, buddy.
Yeah, the bottom one's the nasty one.
Yeah, even that second one, you can feel a little flex in it.
I don't know what it looks like on this side.
Yeah, let's just walk around and see.
I mean, whoever built it Did a good job.
My cousin Adam said, man, you should just put, he told me I should put a large sticker of my face with 2 thumbs up on it. I'm like, you know, they'll run the other direction then, man. Like, you still this crazy, dude. Oh, man. Yeah. Dorica, got another one, girl. All right, let's peek around here. Right in the right. Oh. All right. Yeah, buddy. We want this. So obviously we know we gotta do something with this deck because obviously the steps. I like to reinforce it as well, man. I don't know how old it is, but it looks like it's kind of right. It was never treated.
No, treated. No.
Yeah. And I don't know if this has a. Well, actually, yeah, this is the lower level.
Yeah.
So this is a split level home, and so we see where kind of water kind of piled up there, but I would imagine there's no penetration in there. And the grading's not terrible.
Probably coming off that hill.
Yeah, that's most of my concern why it's pooling there, but I think we can rectify that pretty easy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Got some vines growing up. Luckily they kind of got killed off. All right. Let's see what else we got going on. Oh, what a beautiful brick facade, man. This house is solid.
Sure is. Must have a fireplace.
Under. Ooh, man, Adam said we should do a under and upper deck that connects. Kind of like you got a lower deck area and then have it stair stepped up, like kind of wind around and go up to the upper deck. Yo, that's brilliant, dude. I like that idea. That's a brilliant idea, man. You're asking, I got a question. How do you find these houses? I'm going to point right here. A lot of the houses come from referrals, man, from like, you know, good friends or folks who watch these videos and like, hey, look, got one for you. And we come look at it and we make a deal to get it. Yeah, but Bill, yeah, I'm tagging you in this video too, brother.
I got another one if you want to see later.
Yeah, man.
If
I do, come on. Yeah, of course I got time. I haven't seen this guy literally in a year and a half. Ever since I was separated from the company we used to work at. He's still there. And we were just kind of reminiscing about, hey, some of the things are still the same, haven't changed a bit. So I won't get you in trouble. I don't want to talk about it. Yeah, I ain't gonna bust you. That was me saying it. All right. Got some vines. Oh, at least somebody's keeping the grass cut. It appears. Yeah. Wouldn't surprise me because like at the other house, man, the neighbors were just taking turns cutting the grass because they didn't want it making their property look so bad.
Soft it and stuff, man.
Pressure wash that brick. Oh man, you're right, brother. We pressure wash that brick. We got a gorgeous base. You know, do some landscaping. Get some of these weeds and tame some of these bushes. And we'll be in really good shape, man. Yeah. I want to. I gotta get in touch with the owner. Yeah.
10 grand.
What's that? 10 grand and buy it?
Tell them 10,000, then you can have it.
Alright.
Then fix it up.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I do. I fix and flip property. So,
That's a good flipper right there.
oh yeah, man. Absolutely. Absolutely. You know how to get in contact with the owner by chance?
No, we haven't seen them in a while. She's a professor at college, that's either York College or Penn State York.
Uh-huh.
And his parents live there, and I think they shipped back. Their son moved somewhere else, so that's been vacant for a while.
All right. Well, I'm going to do some calling and see if I can find out. And,
I don't know where they are, but I know she's a professor at, I don't know where she is now.
all right. You mind if I give you a card, and if you see them, you can put me in contact with them?
Sure.
All right, cool. Let's do that. Neighbors are the best, man. Neighbors, you find good neighbors, they'll give you all the information, the stuff you want to know and the stuff you don't want to know. They'll tell you everything and all things. All right, so I'm gonna let it keep recording so you can just see how these type of transactions work. I like doing this from an educational perspective for people, just so anybody who's looking to get in the game, you can just know, look, man, just ask some questions, talk to neighbors, tell people what you do, and yeah. Oh my.
They had to take her to the
How you doing,
hospital
brother?
and all that.
My name's Anthony, man.
Anthony, Frank, man, good
Frank,
to see
pleasure
you.
to meet you, buddy.
Yeah, not a problem.
And
brother.
yeah, man, what I
All right,
typically
good,
do
man.
is I buy properties from people whose houses look like this in distressed conditions or whatever, and then I have veteran families and other minority families who probably couldn't afford or qualify for mortgages and whatnot, and try to help them get into positions where they can
right.
eventually
Good.
get into it. So
Yeah, that's wonderful.
yeah, man. So we just did one around the corner on Clover Lane and Bergman Street, and Bill, my good buddy, we used to work together. He
Right?
calls me, he's like, hey, I found another one, man. You might want to look at. So this is awesome, though. I like this.
Yeah, that could
Yeah.
get redone for good, but
Yeah.
like I said, I was telling him, they're from India,
Mhm.
and her parents were living here, and they didn't take care of him. And one day I had to knock on the door because she was laying here, and she didn't speak much English, and I knocked on the door, and man, I a big whiff of freaking curry.
Oh,
You know
yeah,
how they
yeah.
like to
Mhm,
say,
that
I
cur-
guarantee
yeah.
that house inside needs gutted.
Yeah. We looked at the back, man. There's quite a bit of stuff back there in the back.
Oh,
you
is
know?
there?
Yeah.
I never walked through it.
Yeah.
I just remember knocking on the door and they came, and I was like,
Mhm.
I said, your mother just fell to the ground. She's bleeding. You better call the ambulance. And then they came, picked her up. and all
Oh,
that.
man, my
that was
goodness,
about
dude.
6-7 years ago.
Jeez.
She has since passed. Yeah.
The mother did.
The mother passed
Oh,
away.
man, I hate to
and
hear
her
that.
sister is, I don't know what happened to her sister, but she
Mhm.
was old.
Yeah, I seen her sister up here like a year and a half ago out here in the yard.
And then her and her son were living here, and then his son graduated from college and moved away, and then
Wow.
I haven't seen her at all.
And it's kind of
It's
weird.
been 4 years.
You'll find houses like this. I guarantee if I look it up, the taxes are probably paid on it. Everything's
I'm
probably
sure
up
she
to.
does. She
Yeah,
just does. And
they
then
just-
every now and then she'll have somebody come over here and cut the grass. There's
Mhm.
a crew that comes in. So
Yeah.
obviously they're getting paid.
It is funny how that works, man. There's some people who are just perfectly content with
That would
just.
just let it sit. And
Yep.
I'll just take care of whatever I have
Mhm.
to, and
Yeah.
that's that.
Yeah.
Pay the taxes.
Yep.
And just let it sit.
Yep.
It's probably paid off.
I
would think.
will guarantee if you're telling me
Why
they
would
were
you even
professors.
sit, you know, money? Well, I don't know. Some
Yeah.
people are fucking crazy.
Some people, I mean, they just
Some
have.
people got money, don't care.
They just don't know what to do with it. So it's like, hey, whatever, you know.
Yeah.
Take the depreciation on your
So-
taxes and keep moving, I guess, you know.
But yeah, you'd get that for a pretty penny, man.
Yeah.
I guarantee it. I'd offer them like 40 grand. That's it.
Yeah, that's the
And say,
40 is like my
"Ma'am,
magic number, man.
you
Like,
ain't gonna get more than that.
Mhm.
With that.
well, if you look at the roof, man, you've got the faucet that's kind of deteriorated in the back. You've got,
It
you know,
probably needs a whole new
and
everything.
you're probably talking about a
You gotta
gut.
probably put about 80 grand in there.
Yeah.
Easily.
Yeah,
Yep. To get it for
Yeah.
40 and sell it for 200.
yeah.
You
Dude.
make an $80,000 profit.
Yep.
Man, you sound like a real estate investor yourself, buddy.
Oh,
You
no,
need
I helped guys that do it
Okay.
a long time ago. I was younger, and
Sound
we
like
flipped
you know the
house
game.
One time and made,
Mhm.
we each made 10 grand on it.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
It was a lot of work though.
It
was
is,
like
man.
6 months,
Mm-hmm.
and then we had to make the payments because we bought it.
You
know,
still got to
so
pay the taxes. You still got to pay the
you gotta
mortgage
pay
on it. If you got a
tax,
mortgage,
gotta make
and
mortgage on
you
it,
know,
yeah, escrow.
utility bills, landscaping.
Yeah.
You get into the winter months, you need to pay for snow removal or do it yourself or whatever,
All that.
man.
Well,
Yeah.
we started in March
Mhm.
and got done probably around August, September. It took
Yeah.
us that long. We slowly went through it.
And it's painful working during them summer months,
Me and
man.
another guy,
Burning
oh,
in there,
it was
dude.
hell, it was. But I thought, for 10, I think it was 12,000 we made
Mhm.
each.
Mhm.
It was worth it for
Yeah.
the summer.
Yeah, yeah.
But yeah, you
Yeah.
can make more than that on that. If you could get somebody just needs to get a hold of her.
Mm-hmm.
If I
That's
ever
the
see
key,
her,
man.
I will make it a point to
Thanks
run
so
over
much,
and
Frank.
say,
I
hey,
appreciate
hey,
that.
Guess what?
Yeah,
I'd like to buy your house.
yeah.
Is it for sale?
That'd be, yeah,
And I know her. She's a pretty nice lady.
Nice, okay.
She walked around. They had dogs. They had,
Mhm.
But I haven't
Yeah.
seen her in years. It's
Yeah,
just
this
sick.
it's just strange, man. Like some people, it's so difficult. Like I have different skip tracing services where I can try to find at least an email address, if not a
Right.
current address, send them a letter or a call, and
Yeah, what you do? No. Everybody knows what everybody pays for taxes around here.
Mhm.
You just look up that freaking address, and they're in the York County
register.
You're damn right they are. Everybody is.
Yeah.
I am. Everybody's in there.
Yeah.
Tells you
Like,
if you're
I can find the
delinquent, if
name.
you're paid up, all that. You
Yeah.
can find out anything about anybody.
I can find the owner. Or,
We're a commonwealth,
yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So you should be able to look up anybody's name.
The problem is I can find the owner's name. It's just finding the contact information that's the difficult part a lot of times, you know. Because sometimes they live somewhere else, or maybe they moved back to India, or where maybe their
don't
phone
think they
number is
moved back to
registered or something. I don't know, but
I'd check maybe either Penn State, York, Penn State professors.
Okay.
Look up the name. She got the name.
gotcha. Yep.
York College. I forget where it was one of the two.
Right. Either way, you can look up. I got contacts at both
Penn
of those
State
places.
Is huge,
yeah.
but Penn State is collective.
Right.
Everyone is Penn State. No matter if you go to Harrisburg, York,
Touche.
Maine.
Yeah.
It don't matter. You're
It's
at Penn
the same.
State. Right? So
You're a Nittany Lion, baby.
Well, I know,
They
a
let
lot
you.
of
They
my
let you
money
know.
went
Yeah.
over there. My
No,
daughter is. I'm a Sooner.
Yeah.
Oklahoma.
All right, man.
Sooner.
Cool.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, I got you.
Years ago, 92, I graduated.
Yeah. No doubt, brother.
yeah, that
what brought
was-
you to York then, or were you
I'm
born?
from York.
You're born.
Yeah,
Okay. All right.
Just, I was out there partying and all that. That's a long story.
All right.
Long story of it is, hey, I got my degree in mechanical engineering. and
There you
came
go.
back home.
All
Yeah,
right,
working
there you
out.
go.
Yeah.
Cool, man.
But, yeah, that'd be one way to find out, I would think.
Yeah. Frank, I tell you, I appreciate you taking the time to come chat with us,
Not a
brother.
problem, brother.
Definitely, man.
All right,
We'll
good
see
to
you around,
guys.
brother.
Good luck.
Yeah, thank you. Man, that's awesome. Yeah, I think we can make a move on this. Bill.
Sure.
What are you thinking? You feeling good about it?
I'm sure she'd probably want to get it off her hands.
Yeah,
She wouldn't have
especially
to
with all
worry.
that work, man. Like, I bet you that roof's not even leaking. It doesn't look that. It doesn't look terrible.
No, it don't.
It's just that soffit in the back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that definitely, that has to have a fireplace in it because it's got two baffles coming out of it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, dude.
They
Like,
got two baffles coming out of theirs. I bet you it's got
Yeah,
fireplace
shoot.
in it.
touche. I can't pan around because I don't want nobody to know where we are, Bill. This is like super secret, top secret stuff. Oh, yeah, Adam. My cousin's like, yo, if we get this, they'll help out with the marketing strategy. These guys are so brilliant, man. My cousins are just phenomenal. I love that I have their support, man. It's just, they tell me sometimes, I took a couple of videos down, I said some things on there that, you know, I wouldn't want to defame or, you know, or slander my clients, man. So it takes like good people to tell you, hey, look, man, check yourself, you know,
Yep.
pull that down. It's not representing you or the brand you're building. He's
Right.
absolutely right about it. So, yeah, man. Where's the other one at? Is it close?
Well, let me park my truck and go with you.
Right
'cause
with
it'll be
me.
easy.
All right, cool.
We'll park my truck down at my house.
Okay.
Straight down to Bottom Hill.
Let's
and
do
we'll
it,
go.
man.
All I know is the grass has been high over there. The rain spout's down and it's been empty for a while.
We should stop at that other one that was down the street too, and the one that had all that crap on it that you slowed down in front of.
I'll stop in front of it.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a picture of that, man. Get that address. Oh, this is fun. You see how much fun this stuff is, man? Like, I enjoy it, you know? Like, I enjoy it. I enjoy it. Yeah. Bill, the property scout.
Definitely a nice location. People love it on top of the hill, you know.
Oh, yeah, man. And then, especially on top of hills, you ain't have to worry too much about flooding or, like,
Yep.
you know, if we grade the house properly, you ain't got to worry about water penetration and all that, man.
Yep.
Yeah, we'll be in there. Sweet. All right, y'all. We got Anthony and Bill here. We're going to find another property. Well, we might do another video. Why not? You know, people are jumping on and paying attention to us. Might as well feed them. Let them follow our adventures. All right, brother. I'll follow you to park your truck, and then we'll go.
All right, you back in the driveway. I'll turn around here and follow me. We'll go down by that one. Go real slow.
Okay, cool.
I'll pull over there.
You got it, man. All right, y'all. Catch y'all later.